Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. This is Mohammed Ghanem, and I'm excited to introduce myself. Thanks, y'all, for your contribution. I grew up personally in Dubai, in the city. The beautiful city of Dubai is actually in the United Arab Emirates. It's seven emirates in that certain region, and it doesn't look like this, to tell you the truth, 20 years ago, but I saw it in growing as a city, and I do have a lot of good memories back in there. My family emigrated to Dubai from Jerusalem in the 80s, and I was the second child from a family of nine. Professionally, I finished high school and joined College of Medicine, University of Sharjah, which is quite of a humongous university. We call it University City, as it's the biggest in that region. As I went through med school, I also worked in the University Hospital of Sharjah, and before my graduation, my first exposure to the United States was in this beautiful city of Cleveland in Ohio. I rotated with physicians in Cleveland Clinic, and I quite loved the States afterwards, and I landed an opportunity with Dr. Carl as a research assistant with him. During that period, he researched heart failure models, and he's a heart failure cardiologist, and he works with Baylor Scott and White, and in affiliation with A&M. Afterwards, I landed a few other opportunities in the area in Texas, North Texas, and eventually recently, I am working with WellMed Medical Management. It's a management group that takes care of a multitude of patients that have chronic illnesses, and in affiliation with United Healthcare and Optum RX running their operation. And my role as a clinical quality analyst, I do have to have a background in medicine as a certified physician, yet not quite in practice, but that's what I'm hoping for, is to become a practicing physician, either a family physician or an internist, and that's quite what this is all about. I enjoy having my time here in the Corpus area, South Padre Island, and on the weekends I go back to my wife in Houston. Thank you again for giving this opportunity to introduce ourselves, and have a good evening.